Okay, if you have sometimes entered your car and noticed that there is a wet floor under the driver's seat, maybe you have the same problem like me. I've asked two mechanics to solve this problem, but they said that they have lots of business and the work is not, it's simply shitty work, so they didn't want to do this. One of them told me to put inside the special special aluminum sealing, which you can put inside the filler tank. This one, a special sealing which find the gap itself and repair itself. There is also a very nice video about this on YouTube, by the way. But due to my opinion, it is not going to work in this case. Because the O-rings in the system are, after 17 years since the car was made, very old and need to be replaced. And also here, especially in the motor area, there is lots of vibration and the thin layer could be damaged very soon. So I've decided to change these sealings on my own, and now I will show you how. So I've started with these two pipes inside the motor area. There was these two rings over the pipe. I tried to dismount correctly, but the only thing, or the only way to do this was to take a knife and cut this. So I dismounted this and took out these two O-rings. Then I bought in a classic store where you can buy these things, and I a little bit grinded the steel pipe, put it inside together, and instead of these rings I used a clamp like this. It is only for carrying in the correct position. This doesn't seal. The sealing is only here. The inside diameter was 20 millimeters, and the thickness of the seal O-ring was 3.5 millimeters. So after this, I decided to go on another point. It is the radiator under this panel. You will have to dismount this center panel and get inside this but now you can see it is already dismounted. I took out this cover. It wasn't easy. It was because you have to get inside very far to the screws. You will need to dismount these two screws, about 8 centimeters long, with Torx number 20. In some models there are maybe a little bit bigger these screws. I don't know the number. And you will have to use a special tool, or this tool is domestically made, because I had not any. And plus this, I used extension to the bit, so I could remove both of the screws. It is very far, and if you're I have advantage that my hand is very slim, so I could get inside. If you can't, you will probably have to lift your car into the air and get inside from the bottom. When you finish this, you will just take down the cover which I showed you. Yes, and these two screws carry this plastic output of condensation from air conditioning. Well, once you will remove the radiator, you will have to split out the water which left inside. Then you will take a tool to remove this cable out of this connector. It is only in air conditioning versions of the car. Then you will remove these C clamps, and then you can pull out the valve. The O-rings are here, 2 of them, and another 2 are on the pipes. Well, if you take a close look at these original O-rings, you will see that they are not actually O-rings. Their cross section is a little bit elliptical. So I went to Opel authorized car service, and I was looking for this elliptical version. They didn't have any. They had only this this set of C-links and C-clamps. I've tried it and it fits pretty good, so I bought them. The price was about 380 crowns. It is about 14 euros. so I bought them. But if you want to save your money, you can just go into a classic store where you can buy these things, and you can buy a classic O-ring. The inside diameter is about 18 millimeter, and the thickness is 2.7. The only thing you should pay attention to is to choose the correct material, because if you use only the rubber ones, after 5 years or 10, uh, the O-rings will get older and the leakage may occur again. So uh, these O-rings are definitely for this valve, fits in this valve. Well, if you have all these parts, then you can put all these things back together. Thanks for watching.